Attorney Dannielle Simms. You and I have participated in countless mediations. So here's a question. If somebody agrees to a mediation agreement where they sign off, can they change their mind after the fact?
So when you are at mediation and you are coming up with a mediated settlement agreement and you guys have come up with said agreement and it's been circulated for your review, one of the top things that you will see or should see on page one of that mediated settlement agreement is that it's irrevocable. The reason that mediated settlement agreements are irrevocable is because either side, it requires both parties when they are making decisions to make good faith decisions. The whole idea behind a mediation is that you guys can settle and not have to then turn around and run to court because someone changed their mind at the end. They are irrevocable. Are there ways to get around a mediated settlement agreement? Sure, but that's a topic for a different day, and that generally requires some sort of duress. Sometimes you'll see situations where a person is under the influence, and that's how you got around the mediated settlement agreement, or there are new facts. With that being said, buyer's remorse is absolutely common. I always tell my clients that when they come to an agreement at mediation, they will always the very next day, or heck, sometimes a few hours later, have buyer's remorse because you turn around and go, did I leave something on the table? Did I give too much? The long answer is, can I change my mind on an MSA just based on solely changing? The short answer, excuse me, based solely on changing my mind for an MSA is no, you cannot. But please note that it's not uncommon. And when I'm actually mediating cases, what I tell parties is, when you guys leave here, you should both hate me because you are both starting at different ends of your position. And my job is to drag you guys, sometimes kicking and screaming, to the middle. So if you hate me by the end of the mediation, if both of you hate me, I know I've done my job.